Start by navigating to menu, Online Store. Find the order that is ready to be shipped, switch to Shipments tab, and click on Add Shipment. By default, the shipment includes all items in the order. You can always change this by editing the quantity to ship in this shipment. Add the length, width, height, and weight of the package along with a tracking number. Repeat this process if you have multiple shipments for this order. When all items have been shipped, the order status will change to completed.